Maybe later we could go up to the moon, or sail among the stars before the night's through. And when morning comes, we'll see the sun is not so far, and we can get much closer to God than where we are. Now let's go to a place where lovers go, to a place where lovers lay, to a place for you and me. Fly away